This is one of those videos that we didn't want to make, but we're making it. A couple weeks ago, we got in a little hit and run accident and it busted up our taillight.
So now it's been many long weeks. Insurance hasn't helped us. So we're gonna fix it ourselves because after all this rain, it's filling up with rainwater and it looks horrible. So fix it ourselves. That's a Yes We Can way.
Let's do it.
Yes We Can. So look at this water line right here. It's been filling up with water because of this huge crack. That's where we got hit. And it's been weeks, and like we were saying, our insurance company hasn't helped us out. So we just ended up buying the taillight ourselves. This is a little tip. Don't just go to your local dealership. Go online, search around. We found this for 25% off with free shipping. So it came out to be $280 instead of over $300 easily.
So there was one kind of a bummer thing, is that when they first shipped this to us, we opened it up and it did crack in transit, but they were super cool about it. They got us one out right away, and this feels like the third time's a charm, but we're gonna get this installed today.
There's just one corner that was messed up, so hopefully this one's good.
That was a bummer. That looks good. This has been like such an eyesore. I cannot wait to get this installed. Also, it was really cool that Johnny found an awesome spot. We didn't want to do like third party. We wanted to get original Toyota, especially with it being a brand new truck. And we did even look at junkyards, but there wasn't much of these in the graveyard just yet, so we couldn't pull anything.
Definitely couldn't find anything on our look, and we searched like 500 miles out. At that point, it's like, it's not worth it.
So there's just two 10mm bolts that we're going to get out and then slide the light out. Don't lose them.
Oh, we have a tendency to drop bolts, both of us. All right.
Don't lose the bolts. Right?
Right. We learned when we were just trying to see if any damages was underneath the original taillight. We kind of found out that the edges are super sharp. So now we're gonna put a towel. So when we're taking off the old taillight for the second time, we're not gonna scratch the paint. So just like that. This thing is looking like it's cracking off, but we just have to push it this way.
Okay.
Don't pull this way. You got it. You got the whole thing.
No, this part didn't come out yet.
That's why we needed that towel. You back in there?
Can you hold it? Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna hold it here.
Okay.
All good.
Ah, zip ties.
You always have to have a Leatherman in your truck. Right, baby?
Right, baby. Taco.
All right, let's see what we got in here. Surprised nothing, stopped working or blew a fuse or anything. We're gonna put these wiring harnesses back in. Snap. Snap. Okay. Is that all good? Do we need to snap that in here?
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay.
It's good, right?
I think so.
Oh, nice.
Did we lose any screws?
Always.
Did we find them?
Always.
No.
Oh, this time.
we see if it works?
Oh yeah. Button works. Light works. We're done. The only thing left is there's some little nicks where the light scratched the paint, so gonna have to get a paint pen. You guys recommend a Toyota paint or just third-party paint?
And we gotta spend some time getting this scuff out, some final touches to give it that chef's kiss.
We think it would just buff out.
That's it, we finished it. That was on our to-do list for quite some time, so it feels really good to be able to check that off.
Now it may not be a mod, but now our truck is back to looking really good and looking good on the trails.
Yep, so thanks for hanging out with us. We hope this doesn't happen to you, but if it does, it's super easy to replace. And thanks for hanging out with us. Please subscribe to Yes We Chan.
Yes, you can.